In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the split view feature. So here I'm in my documents dashboard and here are all of my different files. So let's say that I wanted to open a split view with these two files. This little arrow drop down here, so you can tap on one of the documents arrows and then tap on split view. And you can see up here it says split view my notes, and this is prompting you to pick another file. So now I'm going to choose this file here and you can just tap on it. And now you can see I have both of these documents open at the same time. And in split view mode, you can zoom into the two different sides independently. You can also tap on the select icon, select objects from one side, and drag and drop it over to the other side. When you drag and drop items from one side to the other, you want to make sure that the entirety of the object is on the other page, because if it is off, so you can see the handle is off the page, it might not work. In split view mode, you can also manage your pages. So up here, when you tap on the Pages Manager icon, it's going to give you the prompt of choosing either left or right. So I want to manage the pages on the right-hand side. So I'm going to tap on right. And you can see that I have all the pages from the document on the right. And you also have separate page navigation for both sides. And if you move the pages, you have the option to go back and forth for that side. The undo and redo actions apply to the last page that you edited. So let's say I scribble on this side. That is going to undo the last action here, and similar with this side. When you lock the page, this will apply to both sides, so you cannot zoom in or move on either side. In split view mode, you might need to scroll the toolbar in order to see the rest of the icons.